Hello everyone, this is JokoPlayz here and welcome to today's video where today we are back to Herocraft Hardcore Mod Attempt 2 and I've done some off-camera work such as farming and mining a lot. I mined so much and got a lot of resources. I got some lapis lazuli, redstone dust, but the main thing is I got a lot of iron, and I made all of the hoppers we need to complete our food source. And I also killed a spider and got 2 strings. Oh, it's raining. Also, I enchanted my fishing rod and started fishing, and I got some amazing stuff. Okay, let's start with the normal stuff that are the salmon and the cod. I'm gonna put these to smelt, cause I'm gonna use them as my food source until I finish this. I also got some pufferfish and tropical fish, which won't help me. But the good stuff, I got an enchanted book, Protection 3. That's really good. I also got leather boots. Nah. I also got bow, an enchanted bow, with Unbreaking 3 and Curse of Vanishing. Okay, Curse of Vanishing is normally not good, because what Curse of Vanishing does is that when you die, this item completely disappears from the game. But since this is a hardcore mod, and if I lose once, my whole world is deleted. So Curse of Vanishing really doesn't impact at all. So yeah, just consider this an Unbreaking 3, because Curse of Vanishing in hardcore mod doesn't really affect anything. And I got a Nautilus shell, which is amazing, and I need 7 more, and a, I forgot what it's called, Heart of the something, I forgot what it's called, to make a conduit. And if I make a conduit, I can breathe underwater and get faster mining underwater, which will be amazing to start working on our big base. But our sugarcane farm is working fine. Our egg farm is going crazy. And yeah, everything is working well. While I was mining iron in a ravine nearby, I killed a zombie villager, a skeleton with a gold armor and an enchanted bow, and he dropped his bow and I killed him. Also, he lowered the durability of my shield because I stopped a lot of arrows. And I killed an enderman, which gave me an ender pearl. So that concludes what I've done off camera. Since it's nighttime, I want to go out there and kill. I need to find some spiders and kill them, because I can't really complete my food source without another dispenser. Apparently dispensers need a bow, a fully normal bow with no durability loss. So I need to find some string. I need 3 string, and then I'll make a bow. So let's get out there and try not to die and find stuff to kill. Oh, another shipwreck. Okay, let's dive. I just want one block. That would give me some oxygen, so I can explore the entire shipwreck. Hi, Foxy. Okay, so I just got an idea. Since I can't see anything from the shipwreck, I'm gonna go to the coral reef biome and get some sea pickles, which are like torches underwater. There are some right there, so let me just get that real quick. So I'm gonna go down there again and place those sea pickles and see what I'm doing, because I can barely see anything underwater. Oh! Here's the chest. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh! Buried treasure map! And books! Oh my god, that's great! I still want to go down there. I want to see what's there. Yup, there's still a chest. Oh. Okay, so I got the second chest. Let's see what we have. Protection 3. Mending! Oh, but that's leather tunic. But, overall, we got some amazing stuff. Oh, the foxes ran away. Anyways, let's see this buried treasure map. Okay, we are on it. Let's start digging. Okay, it's getting dark. Let's go back to our house, get an iron shovel, and start mining that area. Because I really want to find this treasure. After all of that work, we finally found it. Oh my god! Oh my god, it has so many good stuff. Okay, let's go back to base. Heal up. Sleep because it's nighttime. And then go back and collect our stuff. Okay, we got everything. Okay, let's see what we have. Wow, we have 2 diamonds, 8 iron ingots, some iron, heart of the sea, that's what I needed, and prismarine crystals. That is so cool. Let's get back to the base. We found all of these great stuff. And our main goal was to get some string for a dispenser. Wow. Okay, so let's make one more dispenser. And then, let's keep working and finish our food source. Bye, chicken. I'm sorry. Okay, now that we're done with that slaughter, let's break this chest. Give me all of those eggs. And that means if I put anything, it will just turn around. But let me sleep first. Okay, so I did get it. Cool. So, that's it. Let me just make a bucket. And get some lava. So now, everything works. To cover this area up, we'll need some spruce planks. So let's go just destroy a couple of trees right here. Okay, I have to do this part really quickly. Okay. This. We close it off. That's it. Okay, we've done it. Now let's turn around from the other side and close everything up. And that is it. We've actually done it. Now, let's empty the eggs. I think I've put enough, so let's throw the other eggs to go in the hopper. Let's close this off. Oh, I didn't cover this area. Whoops. So now it should be shooting eggs. Yup. See that in action. Yup, it's shooting eggs. That's so good. These chickens are going to grow up. They're going to put more eggs. And they're going to be shot out right here. And whenever they grow up, they will be burnt by lava. And they will give me cooked chicken and feathers. That is amazing. We've done it. I'm so happy. I think I'm going to end this episode right here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This was a really fun video to record. Let's recap what we've done today. First of all, we found a shipwreck that gave us a lot of good stuff and a berry treasure map. We went to the island where the treasure map led us to, and we started mining that area up till we found our treasure chest. It gave us a lot of good stuff. It gave us gold, it gave us iron, it gave us diamonds, and most importantly, it gave us Heart of the Sea, which is what we're going to use as the conduit that will help us build our big base. And the highlight of this episode, we finally finished our food source. Eggs are going to be right here. When they grow up, they will put even more eggs, and the eggs are going to be shot out right here. When these grow up, they will be burnt by lava and giving us cooked chicken. This was a really great episode. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. This was a really fun video to record. Goodbye, and see you tomorrow with another episode. Bye bye!